Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 7, leçon U. So let's have some fun together and discover the past gerund. So it can be a bit challenging if you think about that, but let's try to see together how to pronounce it, and I will give you some examples. Remember that I've been covering the way to structure it and to construct it in the previous lesson. Okay, so in that lesson we'll just focus on examples and pronunciation. So let's start right now. Having spoken, ayant parlé, ayant parlé, ayant parlé. Having walked, ayant marché, ayant marché, ayant marché. Having watched, ayant regardé, ayant regardé, ayant regardé. Having admired, ayant admiré, ayant admiré, ayant admiré. Having chosen, ayant choisi, ayant choisi, ayant choisi. Having finished, ayant fini, ayant fini, ayant fini. Having united, ayant uni, ayant uni, ayant uni. Having gone down, étant descendu, étant descendu, étant descendu. Having learned, ayant appris, ayant appris, ayant appris. Having understood, ayant compris, ayant compris, ayant compris. Having gone, étant allé, étant allé, étant allé. Having had, ayant eu, ayant eu, ayant eu. Having been, ayant été, ayant été, ayant été. Having done, ayant fait, ayant fait, ayant fait. Having known, ayant su, ayant su, ayant su. Having passed, étant passé, étant passé, étant passé. Having gone down, étant descendu, étant descendu, étant descendu. Having written, ayant écrit, ayant écrit, ayant écrit. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content, and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.